You're gonna take a video?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have practice? Wait, what page do you put this on? Sure.
Your notebook. Take out your notebook. And I'll tell you in a second. I'll tell you in a second. After that.
Here you go.
There you go.
Get your notebook out.
Wait, what do you have on that one? The review. Where do you have the review and assess? Okay, yeah, the next one. All right, guys. All right, everybody. So in your notebook, in the next blank spot, so that's after your review and assess, you're gonna write some notes today. Today we're gonna learn about Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numerals are the way that the Romans used to write numbers. Okay, that's where numerals comes from. So we're gonna create this table. So in your notes, title them Roman numerals, and we're gonna create a table. On the left side, we're gonna have the Arabic numerals, which is the numerals that we use today. And on the right side, we're gonna place the Roman numerals. Okay, those are the numbers that they used back then. Now in Roman numerals, okay, they have these symbols that we recognize as kind of like tallies and letters. Okay, but it's really just understanding what these symbols represent and whether we should add or subtract. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. But first, let's write our table down so we know what these tallies or letters represent. So the first Roman numeral, it looks like an I, okay, and it represents the number 1, okay, a single unit. So then we have a V, which represents a 5. An X represents 10. An L represents 50. C represents 100. D represents 500. And M represents 100. Okay. So go ahead and write your table down. It's almost going to be like our key.
Oh, that's funny. What is XIV stand for? Like how does that work?
Wouldn't it be like 14?
Wouldn't that
Because
be
I
16?
Because IV is 4.
No, you said XV.
Oh, XV?
Yes.
XIV.
Is IV 4?
No,
I mean, IV.
no. It depends. Are they together or are they separated?
Okay, so now that we have our table written down, okay, there are 2 rules for Roman numerals. Rule number 1 is the additive rule. Okay, so if a lesser value symbol is on the right side of the higher value symbol, we add them up. Also, if they're the same, we add them. If they're the same value, we add them. Jathan, please zip it. You need to write down the rule.
Oh.
Okay. Now we have some examples written down.
Why doesn't it work?
So if we look here, 2 tallies. Each tally represents what value?
1.
1 plus 1 is 2.
21.
Do we like that?
Okay? Yeah. 3 tallies is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3.
33?
Okay? A V represents what value?
5.
5
Oh.
plus 1 tally.
6.
Okay? Then we have 6. And now represents what number?
50. L equals
50. An X represents 10. Okay. A V represents 5. Okay, and 2 tallies.
7.
Okay. 50 plus 10.
67.
60.
67.
67.
Did you do that on purpose? You already know.
Yeah.
That was so purpose.
Okay.
Now I need to draw a guy with the
Marco, you are.
X and B. 10 plus 5. 15. So if you're having a quinceañera, okay, a lot of them put like the X and the B, Roman numerals.
I don't think they had Mexicans over there.
Okay. And then M represents 1,000. 2 M's is 2,000s.
Of course. Oh, I see. Teacher, you know some boys have quinceañeras too?
Plus 5.
Plus
Plus 1.
No, be different. They call it. My brother almost had one.
So it's 6.
2006.
Teacher, is that
What's so
true?
good about that event?
Teacher,
What do you know that we don't?
Teacher,
You're just a number.
teacher,
Oh,
is that true? Before the iPhone was made.
Okay.
That's when the iPhone was made.
That's right.
No,
All right.
know that we don't.
Now we have the subtractive rule. Okay, so the subtractive rule is if a lesser value comes before a bigger value, so if it's the smaller one is on the left side of the bigger one, we subtract the smaller value from the bigger value. Okay, so for example, 4 is not 4 tallies. Okay, 4 is a 5 with a tally to the left. Okay, so it's 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. So look at the X and L. Which one is the bigger value?
X.
No. L. L is 50. X represents a 10. So we do 50 minus 10. Okay, is 40.
Drew, let's put centimeter.
Mm-mm.
Why'd you put centimeter?
Okay.
No, something that we don't.
I and X. So you subtract the I from the X, and X represents 10. So 10 minus 1, 9.
What the? What? Dad, don't you add?
Now let me tell you something about C. In Spanish, okay, how do you say 100? Cien. Okay, so if we look back at the table, C, cien, 100. Or if you think about a century, how many years are there in a century? 100. Okay. How do you say 1,000 in Spanish? Mil. M. Okay. So, which one is the bigger value, C or M? Bigger value is M. 1,000 minus 100 makes it what? 900. Okay. Let's see if you can do the next one.
I'm still writing.
The next one is a trick. Okay, I'll tell you now.
Like, it's a trick question, or is there a trick to it?
No, it's a trick question.
What's your question for? There's a D.
But tell me why it's a trick question.
We never learned the D. Oh, it says D's. Oh, never mind.
DM equals,
DM. DM. D.
it equals 500.
Yeah.
But there's a simple way to write 500.
D.
Just D. Yeah. So it's just D.
How does that
Okay.
equal 500?
So DM is just D. Okay, it's equal to 500.
What?
Oh, I get it.
Oh, because it's 500 minus
Because 1,000 minus 500 is 500. So it's D anyways. So why write DM? Okay.
You're confusing, but I
You would
understand.
understand.
Yeah.
Wait, can you say it
It
again?
was so funny.
I'm still writing the sentence.
So D. So what's the bigger value here? M, right? So then the subtractive rule is if there is a lesser value symbol to the left, you subtract it. So 1,000 minus 500 is
Oh, so
500.
So if the M is in front of the D, you don't subtract it.
Yeah, you don't subtract it.
If only the D is in front of the M.
Okay. All right. So now you should be an expert at Roman numerals. Okay. It's fairly simple. It's just knowing these two rules. and knowing what they represent.
I wasn't done.
Okay?